brings back a lot of memories whenever I perform it. I think I always say this, it's really Love Moves in Mysterious Ways. Kasi this is really the song that made the Nina Live album and made a lot of people know me much better as a singer and a performer. And they realized that I really love to sing live in front of the people. It's not recording.
And my last question is, if you could perform a dream duet with any artist, who would it be and why?
Dream lang naman, di ba?
Yeah.
Siyempre, dream kay Mariah Carey. Kasi, favorite ko kasi yun siya. Favorite ko talaga kasi. And parang naging inspiration ko talaga si Mariah. So, dream duet, Mariah.
Thank you and
Thank
congratulations.
you.
Thank you, Vincent. Siyempre, kung may Philippine concerts, hindi magpapahuli ang Manila Concert Junkies.
Okay, let's go.
Ano name mo? Chay. Melanie Lee.
Hi, Nina. I'm Melanie.
Hello.
My question is, what makes you motivate after all these years? What keeps you motivated to continue performing after all this year in the music industry?
What keeps me motivated are the people who have been supporting me ever since and the new people who are trying to love my music now. So every time I go up on stage, it's like new audience for me, even though may mga tagal nang nanonood for me. So, yung mga taong nanonood talaga, they motivate me to sing and sing some more. Kasi minsan parang, nakakapagod na kumanta. Pero ako hindi ako napapagod kasi talaga after every show, pag nakikita ko yung mga smiles nila, yung mga comments nila that I made them happy. Like at one point in their lives or on that night or at that show, nakaka-motivate talaga to sing some more and to hear their stories. So, see, okay.
Thank you.
Kasi yung man,
Binulsa na.
Malak ng iyo.
Inu.
We have questions from Cesar Batingan from Net25.
Of course. Yes.
Kumusta na rin?
Nina, congratulations once more for this another milestone of your career
Thank you.
in the industry. Right now, pagkatapos nga ng The Repeat, for sure magiging successful naman. Tuloy mo na bang isasarang chapter ng Nina Live or may possibility na ito ay magkaroon ng panibagong yugto? And kumusta? May changes ba na kumbaga maaari ka na bang gumawa ng panibagong recording ng Nina Live?
Actually, sinagot ko na yun before kasi marami naghahanap for the Nina Live like 2.0. But I believe na yung Nina Live kasi parang very historic na siya and very iconic na siya. So I don't wanna do another Nina Live kasi yun na tinatanggap ng tao. And till now, yun pa rin naman yung hinahanap for me. And I don't want to close that chapter, the Nina Live chapter, because Nina Live is me. I love to sing live in front of people. So ayoko i-close yung Nina Live chapter. If I'm going to do another chapter, Nina Live is still gonna be there, but I'm going to open a new chapter, but opening like doing a new song or an album, that's what it is. But the Nina Live album, I'm not closing it. It's still there. People love to sing the songs from there. Gusto pa rin nilang naririnig. So, ayoko mag-close ng chapter.
Yes, of course. And then in connection of what you said, you're creating a new songs, a new album. Tell something about it. May mga nakaline up na ba? At ano bang tunog ito? Bago ba to? Or it's a revival songs?
Always naman, it's just there. Like, I've written a lot of songs and it's just in my notebook and it just waiting for the arrangement and everything kasi I don't wanna put it out there na half-cooked naman siya. So gusto kong nilabas siya, gusto ko yung perfect na, mapanindig, balahibo and stuff. So hindi naman kasi madali na gagawa ka lang ng song tapos lalabas mo na agad. So I really want it to be perfect for everyone.
May input pa ba dito ng yung trademark mo, yung whistle?
I think dapat meron kasi hinahanap yun ng tao. So, meron.
Okay, Okay, last question na lang. Kulit na question lang. At this point of time, meron pa bang nagpapa-jail sa buhay mo?
May napapagels.
Papa Jails.
Jelly Jelly.
Ayan.
Parang wala
Since
naman.
Jails is one of your hit.
Yeah, parang wala naman. Jealous-jealousan pwede. Parang kunyari, hurt-hurtan tayo. Mga ganun lang. Mga ganun lang.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yan, from one TV network to another. Avia Zulik from Billionaire News Channel.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I just wanted to say that it has been mentioned since earlier that the parents, sila yung nag-influence sa child nila. I'm one of those.
Oh, diba? Thank you so much to your mother.
My mom is such a big fan.
Yes,
So,
thank you.
with that being said, kanina nga na-mention nyo na you don't want to close the Nina Live chapter. Does this mean that you feel like this is gonna expand in the future, maybe outside of Manila shows or overseas shows?
Well, yeah, I've been doing that a couple of times already, but like he said, am I closing the Nina Live chapter? Like, am I not gonna sing the Nina Live songs anymore? Definitely not, because that's what the people wanna hear from me. So it's still gonna be there, but as I've said, there will be no more Nina Live 2.0 or another Nina Live for me, because I believe this is a very iconic album, iconic event in my life. It's history already. Diamond, 10 times platinum. So, nandiyan na lang siya. If I'm going to move on, I'm going to probably do more songs, new original songs for everyone. And yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Nagaling niya mag-English, no?
Ha?
Nagaling Pakibalik ko yung
Siyempre
mic.
baka magalit ka sa akin pag hindi nag-English. Ano ba yan?
We have questions from Jeffrey Perdon from Kapamilya Online World.
Hello po.
Hello, Jeffrey.
Last time po, nag-cover kayo ng Lion Sea.
Yes.
This time po ba may expect kaming another special performance?
I believe so, because yun nga, it's actually a portion in a lot of my concerts that I have a song that a lot of people are requesting for, so probably, yes.
How do you plan to make this repeat show po a unique experience for your fans?
A unique experience, this one. Well, aside from Christian Bautista is already in the lineup, so it's really the Nina Live for real. There will be a lot of songs that we didn't include in the first one. A lot of people were looking for some of the songs from Nina Live album, and because we cannot put all of the Nina Live songs in one concert, but a lot of people suggested to put this Nina Live song in the concert, so we included some of the songs that weren't on the first one.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Tipid na tanong. We have questions from Lea Salterio din. Additional. Pero wala additional. Additional questions lang, pero
Oo, pero
dapat
walang
malinaw
addition.
Baka may additional.
Oo. Sa akin mo na ibigay addition.
Tama.
Yes.
Si Julia Fordham, she's been here a couple of times in the Philippines. Did you get to meet her in person?
Yes!
Wow.
And she even signed my Nina Live album 10 times platinum.
Wow.
Yeah! So,
That's nice.
yeah, I'm so proud of that. Like, I was able to meet her and she signed that